Hi, OPS families. I am coming to you this late afternoon on Friday to follow up with today's events of the coronavirus and the information that we've sent out to you about cancellation of activities as per the North Dakota High School Activities Association, and really wanting to just follow back and confirm and remind and thank you for being calm. We need to continue to have fact over fear. You need to know that as a school district, we are going to continue our communication and collaboration with the North Dakota Department of Health, the North Dakota Department of Public Instruction, the Dickey County Health Department, neighboring school districts, and the Center for Disease Control. And so a couple follow-ups. School will continue as normal next week. However, we have suspended all activities, and that we said that we suspended them indefinitely, which means until further notice. It is possible that activities will be resumed down the road, but that will be after a discussion and collaboration and advice from the professionals that we are working with in giving us guidance on what we should do. So that means that we have no sports, no fine arts, nothing outside of the normal school day happening. We also won't have any extracurricular activities happening in the school building except for our normal school day. At the end of this video, or along with this video, will be links that you can use that will provide you more information on coronavirus. Also the hotline for the state health department that will provide you answers if you need it, and anything else that we have access to. Again, as your superintendent, I encourage you to remain calm. I encourage you to remain calm around your children and help them through this process. You know, as a superintendent, I've never been through something like this. It's uncharted territory. You as families may be going through this in uncharted territory, and we're all in this together and doing our best to mitigate the spread. Some simple things that you could do is continue to wash your hands. They recommend doing it with soap and water. You're supposed to sing the happy birthday song twice while you are doing that, and I recommend that you go in the bathroom, look in the mirror, smile, and sing happy birthday to yourself twice. And enjoy the moment as much as we can, even though we are in these tense times. Another piece of advice we're given is to cough into your elbow instead of your hand. And definitely, if you are not feeling well or our kids are sick, please do not come to school. Also, stay home from events or stay home from work in that case. Again, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your calmness. Together, we will get through this. I think the best advice I can give you too is to stay healthy. You know, keep good sleep habits, exercise, eat well. Like I said, continue washing your hands, and we will overcome this and we will get through it. As more information becomes available, we will get that out to you as soon as we can. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Take care.